Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get richer while others keep struggling, even when they work just as hard? Robert Kiyosaki grew up with two fathers. His real father, the poor dad, was highly educated, hardworking, and believed in job security. He used to say, "Go to school, get good grades, and find a stable job." But his second father, the rich dad, his best friend's father, thought very differently. He believed that financial education was the true key to wealth. He said, "Don't work for money, make money work for you." This simple difference in thinking shaped Kiyosaki's entire life. His poor dad believed that money was something to be earned and saved. His rich dad believed money was something to be understood and controlled. The rich buy assets that put money into their pockets, like investments, businesses, or real estate. The poor and middle class buy liabilities they think are assets, like cars, bigger houses, or expensive gadgets that actually take money out of their pockets. One of the biggest lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is this: you can't become rich with just hard work. You need the right mindset and financial intelligence. The rich don't fear risk. They learn how to manage it. The poor fear losing money, and that fear keeps them trapped in the same cycle. The rich focus on opportunities. The poor focus on obstacles. And perhaps the most powerful message of all: if you want to be rich, you must first learn how to think like the rich. True wealth isn't about money itself. It's about freedom, the ability to choose how you spend your time, where you live, and what kind of life you create.
Remember, the poor work for money. The rich make money work for them. This is more than a book. It's a mindset shift. Follow Elevora for more life-changing lessons from the world's most powerful books. Because knowledge isn't power, applied knowledge is.